Shelve it, understanding this handy English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the English language and unlock new phrases and expressions that can make your communication as smooth as silk. Today, we're going to look at a very interesting phrase, shelve it. You might have heard it in movies, at work, or read it in a book, and wondered what it really means. Well, today, you're going to find out. So, let's get started and put some learning on your shelf. Let's start with the basics. The word, shelf, is a noun, and it refers to a flat board, usually made of wood, which is attached to a wall and a frame and used for putting things on. So, when you shelve something, you're literally putting it on a shelf. It's that simple when you take the word at face value. But, as with many English phrases, there's more to it when used in conversation. In a figurative sense, shelve it is a colloquial expression that means to put something aside, either temporarily or permanently. When someone uses this phrase, they're often talking about an idea, a plan, or a topic of conversation, not actual physical items. For example, if you're at a meeting and someone says, "Let's shelve that discussion for now," they mean, let's stop talking about that subject and move on to something else. It could be because the timing isn't right, or they need more information, or perhaps it's not relevant at the moment. Understanding when and how to use shelve it is key to sounding natural in English. It's a handy phrase in professional settings like workplaces or in academic discussions. However, it's not typically used for personal situations. Saying, shelve it, about someone's feelings or personal stories can come across as dismissive or insensitive, so it's best used for impersonal topics or projects. Let's put this phrase into action with some examples. We don't have the budget to start new projects this quarter, so we'll have to shelve the expansion plans. I know you're eager to discuss future investments, but we need to shelve that conversation until we finalize this year's audit. Jack had many ideas for the event, but we decided to shelve most of them due to time constraints. And there you have it. You now know how to use the phrase, shelve it, effectively in English. Remember, it's all about context. And while it's a great phrase for certain situations, always consider the setting and the subject matter before using it. I hope this video helps you add another expression to your English toolkit. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you soon.